Ka Wheelchair Basketball Federation of India ka lapalong ka Ialehkai basketball ka balais ngi hasulong ka ban kentiu ya ka jing kentup lang bat ka jing kot jing khia jing kibriu ki badon ka jing Duna ha ka Dkhot men. President ka Wheelchair Basketball Federation of India Varun Alawat ulapan jing irap na kasokan na kabenta ka ni ka Ialehkai. Hakaban na kalyang ki Nongialehkai ki ban ka than ki lapan pau ya ka jing snokmen banyo esim benta hakum kini ki Ialehkai.
Manipur is the only state, the government body is supporting them. Meghalaya we tried earlier also, but still we are looking for support. The support of government is must. Even the RPD Act, they are bound to it, and still we are still looking them why they are not giving them opportunities. It is a fundamental rights to get the assistive technology such as wheelchairs. That if you have an indoor basketball court, they should be having a wheelchair, but because of federation also we are working for it, so we gave them through ICRC we donated them 12 wheelchairs and 24 to Manipur and Assam region.